I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 14th day of October. A cool, refreshing change coming up today. We'll see temperatures dropping nicely, and by tomorrow morning, we'll be well down in the 40s around here. Now, let's take a look out the window with some of the sky cam shots early this morning. First off, coming from Huntsville. Actually had some rain up in the Tennessee Valley last night. Showers were seen as far south as Cullman and Blount and Etowah counties, but those showers are long gone. Here's the sky cam from the campus of the University of Montevallo. And in Tuscaloosa, that's the Hunt Oil Refinery on the Black Warrior River, seen from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Here's the satellite shot this morning. Cold front defined there coming through Montgomery. Nice northerly flow behind that. We'll have a nice cool breeze today. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 50s and low 60s. Those temperatures were actually captured at 4 o'clock this morning. Most spots will wind up in the mid to upper 50s at the time of minimum temperatures this morning. And again, to the northwest of us, it's nice and cold. Look at all the 30s we see there. Very brisk and chilly, and that air will be making its way down in here. Again, we'll be well down in the 40s tomorrow. Some of the colder pockets could go in the 30s, and pretty much the same deal for Saturday and Sunday morning as well. And, of course, the air coming in from the north is awfully dry. There's no ocean up there the last time we checked, so we see no rain for the next 5 days. This is the QPF valid through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. Paula, the hurricane, you can clearly see strong winds aloft are beginning to take its toll. And the system is weakening. The top winds are now down to 75 miles an hour. Should become a tropical storm later this morning as the weakening continues. And you can see that it's just going to move very slowly over the island of Cuba. And again, there's great concern there could be some pretty serious flooding on that island. But again, everything stays well to the south of the Gulf and certainly no impact around here. This is the QPF chart valid at 1 o'clock today. Or not the QPF chart, the GFS. At 500 millibars, nice trough, and that will deliver some nice cool air. We figure highs today should be in the low 70s, 71 on the GFS and 72 on the NAM. Tomorrow, beautiful day. We'll start the day in the 40s. High should be up in the mid-70s, and pretty much the same thing Saturday and Sunday. So high school, college football, picture-perfect weather. Any outdoor festivals, just doesn't get any better than that. Monday of next week, we stay dry. Now, Tuesday, here comes a little cold front, upper trough. This run is a little faster and unfortunately drier. And now this hints that we might see a shower Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday night. And then by Wednesday, we got a big trough over the east and a new shot of cool air coming in here. And that will drop highs back into the upper 60s or low 70s. And a week from today looks pretty cool. In fact, the GFS is showing a high of only 69 on Thursday of next week. But the bad news, prospects for a good rain are just fading, which, and then again, this is October. You don't expect much rain this month. But certainly the fire alert will stay in effect, and wildfires could become a big problem in coming days. Now, again, we're getting just all kind of model madness here. Let's look at the end of the forecast period, October 30th. The big phase long wave trough over the east is not showing up now, where for runs and runs and runs we had that would suggest very cold weather for us, or cold for this time of the year during the last week of October, and that's kind of suggesting maybe wet weather out there. But the reason we think the idea of below normal temperatures might be valid is the North Atlantic Oscillation, the NAO. Look at the bottom graph, and you can see how the NAO is strongly negative down there. And that when you got a negative NAO, typically you got the eastern trough, and typically it's pretty chilly here. So I wouldn't be shocked if that big trough comes back on future runs. And again, the idea of some cold air before Halloween, I think, is still quite valid. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see
sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.